Hello, my name is Julita Janatola Becerra. I study food engineering. I am 21 years old. I am an educated, responsible, fun, pleasant, introverted, complicated, flexible, and cheerful woman. I live in the cheap little apartment. This is kitchen, small and pretty in black and white. I like to cook rice, potato, chips, pizza, hamburger, fried eggs, and make orange juice and coffee for breakfast. Next to in living room, we are two new white tables, three tall blue chairs, and purple flower. In the room, there is a big and expansible television on which I like to watch an old series called Dexter Morgan. There is a long, low sheet on the backroom door, and is it dangerous to cut yourself when sledding it? The town is very safe and us hated in very moment.